Hello, people out there watching videos on motorcycles.
What is your duty? To serve the Emperor's will. What is the Emperor's will? That we fight and die. What is death? It is our duty.
Today on the channel, we're going to be doing a bike check. This is my 09 Dyna Super Glide. Cue montage. And without further ado, let's get into it. This bike has some of the nicest sound of any bike I've owned. Give her a listen. I live in the Midwest in Iowa. A lot of the year, not even riding season. Parts of the year that are, I look forward to hitting the road. This bike's covered in many options for that kind of light touring satisfaction. I've got a crash bar, keeps the bike nice in case of something happening, but also outfitted with highway pegs. Got a really nice rider triangle. What with the high Thrashin bars and risers, the 2-up seat makes any long trip or short trip a good time. I got this bike for a pretty penny, and I've already put a pretty penny into it. Future plans include some paint work on this fairing, maybe some red panels to match the pinstripe. Other plans may include the new Villain to Hero bags. Pretty cool. I would really like to change to a D&D Bobcat exhaust. I'd also very much like to change to some OG Moto Garage pegs. For suspension, I've considered Legends, Uhlens. I've considered a couple of different options because I would like to raise it up a little more. I'd also maybe like to add 2 inches on the front. So no matter where the road takes me in Iowa, I have the ability to grip it and rip it.
What is your duty? To serve the Emperor's will. What is the Emperor's will? That we fight and die. What is death? It is our duty.
Friends, from a motorcycle perspective, the Twin Cam 96 is one of the best engines ever created. A lot of the kinks were worked out from the 88 platform, and it's got a lot of room to grow. Should you still want to, you can take this up to a 110. Harley still supports those motors in the Screaming Eagle catalog.
What is your duty? To serve the Emperor's will. What is the Emperor's will? That we fight and die. What is death? It is our duty.
From the moment I understood the weakness of my flesh, it disgusted me. I craved the strength and certainty of steel. I aspired to the purity of the blessed machine. Your kind cling to your flesh, as if it will not decay and fail you. One day the crude biomass that you call a temple will wither, and you will beg my kind to save you. But I
Praise the Omnissiah. May this fairing not loosen, not one bit. Praise the Omnissiah. May this gas gauge remain true. So there you have it. That's my 09 Dyna. Pretty proud of this one. Really like this bike. Wouldn't mind upgrading the suspension, like I said. A couple more parts here or there. This one has the blonde motor. Would have preferred a blacked out one, but I love this bike. So you forge your friendship not based on what you don't like, but what you do like. Hey, it's been Bleek Rides. I hope you liked my bike check-in. If you're thinking about buying an old twin cam, do it. These bikes are built on a history of performance and continued updates through many different lines. The Dyna lasted until finally being absorbed into the Softail line. This was the bike for most of us out there, and I think it still is. There's so much you can do to one of these bikes, and so many aftermarket companies who carry different parts for them. It's really one of Harley's great legacies, this platform, and short of the FXR, quickly became my favorite bike. Well, that's all I got for you. If you liked this video or you like this type of content, hey, do me a favor, push that like button. If you haven't already, subscribe. It only takes a moment, and it means the world to me. It means I can keep doing what I like to do on this channel. If you want to stay up to date on all things Bleek Rides, please ding that bell. And with that, I'll say, if you can, just ride.